What if I told you that one free AI dot prompt could help a tailor, food dot vendor, phone accessory shop, or dot almost any small business get more dot customers this week? Most business owners struggle because they don't know what to dot post or what to say to customers. Today, I'll show you a simple AI dot prompt that creates ready-to-send WhatsApp marketing messages in seconds. Best of all, you can do it for free. Let's imagine you're a tailor in Accra, or maybe you sell food or phone accessories. Business is slow. Instead of spending hours thinking about what to post, let's ask AI. Watch this.
I'm going to ask AI to write me three WhatsApp messages. Now let's see what happens. As you can see, here is it.
Now AI give me complete message, ready to copy to WhatsApp.
It gives me. Now I'm going to copy one and send to WhatsApp. Watch closely.
Then I paste it into WhatsApp.
Yeah, watch me. Now I've sent. Simple as that.
Look at what happened. Instead of staring at a blank screen, AI created 3 marketing dot messages in seconds. Most business owners waste hours trying to think of the perfect message. AI gives them a starting point almost instantly. You can edit the messages if you want, but even without changing much, you've already saved a lot of time. Now imagine doing this every week for your business. But don't stop there. Here's another WhatsApp business method, but same strategy.
This same idea works for many businesses.
Restaurants, hair salons, barbershops, grocery stores, electronic shops, fashion boutiques, construction businesses. Almost any business that talks to dot customers can use AI to create butter marketing messages. The important thing isn't copying everything AI writes. The important thing is using AI to save time and improve your communication. Here's something many people don't realize. AI isn't replacing business owners. It's helping them work smarter. Instead of spending an hour writing one marketing message, you spend 1 minute, then you use the extra time to serve customers. Improve your products or grow your business. That's where AI becomes powerful. If you want to try this yourself, copy the prompt from the description. And if you'd like even more, AI.prompts for business. Comment, prompt. I'll share 10 more ideas you can start using. Don't wait until your business is struggling. Start learning these tools now. Because businesses that learn to don't use AI today will have an advantage tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'll show you another way to make money with AI while saving hours every day. To watch more, subscribe.